Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn birthday party vocabulary, very common English words we use at birthday parties. Let's start.
Birthday invitation card. Party hat. Party mask. Party horn. Balloons.
Balloon pump. Ribbons. Bow. Tinsel. Disco ball. Glow sticks. Streamers. All these decorations will make the party very fun. Candles. Confetti. Sparklers. Presents. Gift bag. Birthday card. Wrapping paper. Bouncy castle. Piñata. Paper plates. Plastic cutlery. Paper napkins. Straws. Now let's check out all the delicious food at the party. Birthday cake. Chocolate fountain. Popcorn. Sandwiches. Lemonade. Ice cream. Pizza. Chocolate. Potato chips. Fruit bowl. Cookies. Candy. Popsicle. Wow, what a fun party! Did you enjoy it? I had such a great time too, and I even learned a bunch of new words. So cool, right? Would you like to go again? Let's watch the video one more time. Thanks for tuning in to Quick English Chat, where you learn English naturally so you can speak naturally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun lessons like this one.